Dear students, today we will discuss opioid analgesics. What are opioid analgesics and what is the basically classification of opioid analgesics and what is the definition of opioid analgesics and why number of questions are asked in the different competitive exams. I will discuss all complete things. Okay, let us discuss opioid analgesics. Opioid analgesics basically agents or drugs or analgesic which act through opioid receptor known as opioid analgesics. Basically prototype drug is morphine. Morphine have a prototype drug and all other compounds or drugs are derived from the morphine pharmacophore. Let us discuss one by one. See, analgesic, that is opiate analgesic. Okay, means analgesic, basically two types are analgesic, that is one is the opiate analgesic, another one NSAIDs means non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. That anti-inflammatory drugs have a different pharmacotherapeutic categories or uses, that may be as a analgesic, that may be as a antipyretic, that may be as a anti-inflammatory. Okay, depending on the situation, these are used as a different therapeutic category. Now we would like to discuss the opioid analgesics. Opioid analgesics also known as narcotic analgesics. Okay, narcotic analgesic. In narcotic drugs different categories are there. Here we are discussing about the narcotic analgesic. Okay, let us discuss first a category, basically two types of natural drugs and their derivative. First category and second category, that is synthetic narcotic analgesics. Okay, totally these are totally synthetic. And third category, that is endogenous opioid peptides. Let us discuss one by one. If I will discuss first in third point, that is endogenous opioid peptides, means opioid receptors have a certain endogenous neurotransmitters or which compounds that act as a agonistic action on the respective opioid receptor. Okay, that opioid receptor have a different endogenous peptides, that may be beta endorphin, dynorphin A, dynorphin B, alpha neoadrophin, beta neoadrophin, and nociceptin. These are the six endogenous peptides which are generally act on different opioid receptor. As you know, opioid receptors have a different category, mu, kappa, and delta. Okay, depending on their action, they have a different type of pharmacological action. These endogenous peptide act on the opioid receptor. Okay, and through these opioid receptor, these all drugs act on that opioid receptor. Let us discuss one by one. First category, that is natural drugs and their derivative. As we have discussed, natural means I have just noted down that the morphine and related, means morphine is the prototype drug of this category. Okay, morphine and codeine is these are the two types of, and as you know, it is obtained from opium and Papaver somniferum, that is the biological name of that opium. And second category, that is the morphine and codeine derivative, means here morphine is a basically completely analgesic, as well as codeine slightly analgesic, but as a major use as a antitussive. Okay, next one, the morphine and codeine derivative, that may be ethyl morphine, diamorphine, heteromorphine, morphinone, dihydromorphinone, morphine dihydromorphinone, dihydrocodeine, dihydrocodenone, oxymorphone, oxycodone, metapone, and azidomorphine. Again you can write as a here, that is heroin or heroin. Heroin, that is basically diacetyl, that is diacetyl morphine. Okay, diacetyl morphine, this is also used as a analgesic. Okay, Let us come to the next. In these categories, there is certain name is a morphine, whether that is a dihydro, whether that is a own form, means that is morphinone, that may be dihydro, that may be oxy, means a certain modification in the morphine structure. Here that is the azido, means there may be nitrogen. Okay, aza for nitrogen. Clear? Now third one, thebane derivative. As you know, the opium derivative, opium have a basically three alkaloids. That is first one the morphine, the second one the codeine, third one the thebane. Here thebane is not a analgesic, but thebane derivative can be used as a analgesic. Okay, then that is oripavane, etorphine, buprenorphine, and dynorphine. These are the thebane derivative, and above these are the morphine and codeine derivative. Okay, on the basis of pharmacophore obtained from morphine, there are certain different categories which are used as a analgesic as well as a very potent analgesic. First category, in this category, morphinone, means they are totally synthetic. Morphinians, that is morphine. Next one levorphenol, next one oxylophenol, levorphan, and butarphenol. Okay, these are the potent then to morphine. Okay, come to the next category, that is the totally synthetic, that is 6,7 benzomorphines. 6,7 benzomorphine, that is a metazocine, phenazocine, pentazocine, and cyclazocine and dazocine. These are again, I must say, they more potent than morphine. Okay, in respect of analgesic category. Okay, come to the next one, that is the third one, 4-phenylpiperidine. 4-phenylpiperidine, most component is the pachyderine, that is highly used in the different cancerous disease where the analgesic required, because in cancer patient there is severe pain. In that situation, analgesics are used. Next one, aniline, diphenoxine, loperamide. Here loperamide, see, loperamide basically not used as an analgesic. It is used for the which drug, yeah, which condition, as you see the pharmacological action of morphine cause the constipation in the patients. Okay, means constipation effect is utilized in the diarrhea treatment. Okay, means loperamide is used for the diarrheal condition. Okay, next one bemidone, next one ketobemidone, alpha protein, beta protein, fentanyl. Fentanyl is again, I must say, one important drug which is used as a analgesic. Okay, next one, sufentanil, alfentanil, ramifentanil, and meptaginol and ethoheptagine. These are again, I must say, used as a analgesic in respect of opioid receptor agonist. Okay, next one, that is the methadones. Again, methadone is again very potent category. That is methadone. Methadone itself is more potent than to morphine. Similarly, phenodoxone, dipipenone, and levomethadile acetate, and dextromorphamide. Okay, these are basically categories. That is four categories. That is morphine, 6-7 benzomorphines, 4-phenylpiperidine, and methadones. These four categories are having a pharmacophore which is present in morphine, and these are totally synthetic. Okay, next one, as you know, opiate receptors have addiction property. Okay, that's why morphine and other derivative of morphine have addiction property. That's why different opioid receptor antagonists are also derivatized or also synthesized to minimize the withdrawal syndrome of morphine. These are basically these opioid antagonists. Opioid antagonists, whenever opioid antagonists, there are the first name is the nalorphine, naloxone, naltrexone. These three compounds, that is nalorphine, naloxone, and naltrexone, all are highly used for the treatment of opium withdrawal syndrome. Okay, next one, that may be levonorphin, on cyclorphin. These are may be also used as a opioid receptor antagonist. Okay, this is all about the opioid analgesics. This classification may be used in the different categories of your means, that may be D form second year, B form, as well as form D. In all subjects it can be, or in all categories can be used. If you are discussing about a B form students, then you have to also write the structure of these certain compounds. We will discuss the structure of these compounds in next lecture. Okay, if you are having any query, you can put the any comment in the description in comment box, and you can also see the classification of different other classes on in this YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed this channel, you can immediately subscribe the channel and share this content to all of your friends. Friends, if any competitive exam, there may be question, see which opioid analgesic act as a antagonist, or which is a opioid and endogenous peptide, which one the benzo morphine derivative, which one the piperidine derivative, which is the methadone category, and which is the morphine derivative, or which one is the thebane derivative. Such type of questions may be in different competitive exams. Okay,